Hello, trustees. This is Dawn Kulpa with updates on Board Goal 4 to improve social emotional readiness in all students. My update will begin with a brief review of the three phases of work we have identified for accomplishing this goal. The first is identifying surveys best aligned to the community's and district's vision in the Always Learning Plan. We have spent time researching and connecting with community partners and have selected three survey options to pilot this school year. Once we have pilot survey data and feedback from our students and staff, we'll move into phase 2, scaling the selected survey or surveys across the district to establish baseline data and developing a culture and climate reporting system for the district as a whole and for each campus. Phase 3 will then begin during the 2025-2026 school year to explore and pilot student SEL competency reports and a possible senior capstone to showcase critical social and emotional skills gained that have prepared students to be successful in the many opportunities and pathways after high school. This year, we will continue using our Qualtrics survey for all students in grades 3 through 12 using the same question sets we have used since the 1920 school year to ensure data to support school improvement and support planning and to preserve longitudinal data. These question sets include social and emotional competencies, growth mindset, self-management, and social awareness, and student supports and environments topics, sense of belonging, and school safety. We have three new survey pilots for this year. The first survey pilot is the Cultivate survey from the University of Chicago. It outlines the link between students' classroom experiences and their academic performance, identity development, and well-being, and is designed to build best practices and explore trends. This survey uses Likert scale items. Some examples include, I see positive examples of people like me in the things we learn in this class. I feel like my classmates accept me for who I am. I feel comfortable letting my teacher know what I need and want. The Cultivate survey will be piloted at the middle school and high school levels this year. Our second pilot is the Developmental Relationships from the Search Institute. The Developmental Relationships Framework outlines relationships as the lever for advancing social and emotional competence and creating equitable environments and is designed to bring actionable data and insight. This survey also uses Likert scale items. Some examples include, all people are treated fairly, no matter who they are. I know who I am and what I believe in. If I have a problem, I know my teachers will help me. The Developmental Relationships Survey will be piloted at the elementary and academy levels this school year. The third survey pilot is SEL Web, a survey from the Rush Neurobehavioral Center. It focuses on building on the strengths of children, teens, and young adults, supporting educators to understand children's strengths and needs. This survey is different in that it is a skills assessment designed to assess key dimensions of children's social-emotional comprehension using three different types of questions: factual or knowledge-based questions, situational judgment tasks that require the application of skills, and self-report questions that capture student perceptions of their own skills. Some example items for after students have heard an illustrated, narrated vignette might include, how does the child feel? What will you do? What can the person do to feel better? This SEL Lab survey will be piloted at the elementary and middle school levels this school year. Since our last update in October, our focus has been on gathering feedback from our parents through the District Parent Advisory Council and thoroughly reviewing the software components of these surveys with our software committee to ensure student safety and data confidentiality in our processes during the pilot. DPAC approved all three survey pilots, and the software committee has approved 2. The third is in the final step of the approval process. Next steps for phase 1 include working with our campus supervisors and principals to finalize participating campuses and set survey administration dates. We're excited for the work ahead administering these pilot surveys on our journey to identify the best fit for our SAISD familia. This concludes our presentation on updates for Board Goal 4. Thank you.